Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Download and install the BIGO Live app from your device's App Store, whether you're on iOS or Android. Once installed, open the app and create a new account using your email, phone number, or social media login. Verify your account through the confirmation message sent to you. Step 2. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture, writing a catchy bio, and selecting your interests so viewers can find you easily. Make sure your profile looks professional because this is the first impression potential followers will get. Step 3. Before going live, prepare your content by choosing a quiet location with good lighting and checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Test your camera and microphone to make sure everything works properly. Step 4. To start your live stream, tap the live streaming icon at the bottom of the home screen, then select your broadcast title and add relevant tags to help people discover your stream. Step 5. Once you're live, engage with your viewers by reading and responding to comments, encouraging them to follow you, and creating entertaining content that keeps them watching. Remember to thank your supporters and consider hosting special events or games to increase your viewer count and build a loyal community.